Hi guys, welcome back to another part of Android tutorial. Today we are going to learn about another important Android view component called the list view. The list view is a very useful component to display a list of elements from database or a string as a list. So it is very useful component in an application used in a phone. So here we are going to learn about how to use this list view programmatically. So now I am going to create a new project for demonstrating the list view. New project. It's an Android application project. Click next. How to list view demo. Okay, click next. Make all these as default and click next. Create the main activity and finally click finish. Okay, now we got the project. Whenever we create a project, we got the main activity class on the src folder, also got the layout file in the layout folder. So here we are going to create the list view. So just go to the main activity.java class file. In Android there is a class called the list activity class for performing the actions in a list view. So here I don't need the activity class. Here I using the list activity. Okay, here we just create the list view by using this segment of code. That means there is no need for the layout file, that is the activity main.xml. That's why I extend it using the list activity, not the activity. So we don't need this segment also, this statement also, set content view. Actually this statement will connect this Java class file to this layout file. Here we do not use that layout file. We just create the list activity using this segment of code. That's why I am extend the list activity class here. I am going to display the elements in a string using the list view. So I have to create a string array. String names is equal to, I just give some names on the array. This is name of my brother, my wife name, my cousins, one more, again one more. Okay, that's enough. I just save some elements on the string array. Now I have to create the list view. So now we have to code the code segments. Now here we have to write code segments on the onCreate method. So first I have to create an object of the array adapter class. An array adapter object is responsible for connecting all these methods, all these variables in this string to the list view. Also this adapter class is responsible for applying some styles to the list view. Okay, so we need an object of the array adapter class first. Array adapter, it's of string type. I give it as adapter is equal to new array adapter. I have to place a context. I give the context as this. Now I have to apply some styles for the list view. So Android dot r dot layout dot symbol list item 1 comma. Now another argument called the name of the resource. Here the resource is the string array, that is name. Okay, that's fine. Here we got an object of the array adapter class. This is adapter is the object of array adapter class. This object is responsible for applying styles and adding all these data elements to the list view. Now we have to add the this array adapter object to the list view. So we have to use another method called set list adapter. Here object is adapter. Okay, now we successfully add the adapter object to the list view using the set list adapter. Now we have to create another method. So whenever user click on element on the list view, we need to implement another method called on list item click method. Public void on list item click. On list item click, here some arguments. First one is object of the list view is not list, it is list view. Second one is object of view class. Third one is an integer value for representing the position. Finally, a long value for representing the ID. This list view. This view class. Okay, so whenever the user click an element on the list view, this method will invoke on list item click. So here I just display something using an toast dot make test. Get the base context. You click. Names of position with the duration, toast dot, and make it as long and make the toast visible. Okay, so whenever user click the elements on the list view, this method, the on list item click method, will automatically invoke and it will display this message: you click corresponding element on that array. Okay, this is how we just simply programming or simply coding a list view in an Android application. Now this is the time to run the project. Run as Android application. Now the project is launching. You can see the progress here. Now open up the emulator and wait some time for the project to launch. Okay, you can see the project is successfully launched, and here is the list of elements from the array displayed in a list view. So I just click some elements on this list view. We can see here is the toast that will appear, that will display the name. You click publish. Guys, this is how we using simply a list view in an Android application. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe now my channel for getting further video updates. Also, you will got the complete notes of this topic from my blog. You will get the address of my blog on the description of this video. Check it now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.